In the beginning, there was dirt. We used it to grow food. We used it to build. We could even use it to have fun. But when dirt got in our homes, it caused problems. It smelled bad. It made us sick. It made life difficult for everyone. And so, mankind developed the broom, which had its limitations. Not to be defeated, mankind invented the vacuum, a machine designed to remove dirt and dust from the home. Alas, this technology had its shortcomings as well. All-around vacuums were heavy and loud. They damaged our furniture, required constant emptying, and worst of all, polluted our indoor air. Dirt entered our heating AC vents and spread throughout our homes. It smelled bad. It made us sick. It made life difficult for everyone. Mankind even tried fancy ball and robotic vacuums with HEPA filters. Well, enough said. Finally, mankind developed HausVac. Convenient, quiet, and lightweight. HausVac solves an age-old problem by safely removing 100% of dirt and dust. Our homes are cleaner, healthier, and our lives just a whole lot better. Now mankind can focus on solving other major problems in need of a modern solution.